Hola amigos, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you my journey in Tangier, Morocco. Hello everyone, I am marine engineer and I traveled from India to Tangier, Morocco. Finally, I reached to Tangier. My flight tickets, allowances and hotel stay allowances are taken care by my company. After one day rest, I called my agent and asked him to show me some beautiful places. And the outside view is so cool, not because of the temperature. Tangier is one of the oldest cities of Morocco. It is over 2500 years old, an important port, a trade center, and regular shipping service to Europe. Tangier is an interesting cosmopolitan mix of Africa and Europe. The official languages are Arabic, French, and some people speak in English. First, we traveled to Marina Bay Beach. It was so good. And now you are seeing that the Atlantic Ocean connected to the Mediterranean Sea. This is the famous tourist spot in Tangier, Morocco. Now we reached to the caves of Hercules. Near to this we can see the place Bakasam beach. The entry ticket cost of tourist is $7. The Hercules Caves is an archaeological cave complex located in part-1, Morocco. They used to say that the Hercules is slept in these caves. Amigo, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The Tangier, Morocco is a good tourist place. Friends, I am going to sign in tomorrow and I will come back with another video. Thank you very much.